You are brave than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Respected chairperson of today's program, Mr. Ravindra Jang Thapa, chairperson of Reliance Education Network, and very eminent personality, young management leader, the today's attraction, Honorable Chief Guest, CA Manoj Gewali, Deputy CA, CEO of Nabil Bank. Special guest, social activist, Mr. Devi Srestha, BODs of Reliance Education Network, Bhuneswari ma'am, Raju sir, Khem sir, Damodar sir, Campus Chief Birendra sir, and Academic Director, respected professors present here, principals Reliance Coed, Dasat sir, BOD of Reliance Coed, and senior faculty of RIA, BB sir, senior faculty Physics Department, Vijay Upadhyaya sir, vice principals, Reliance Coed, coordinators of plus two wings, Syam sir and YP sir, coordinators Ayush sir, assistant coordinator Bednidhi sir, coordinators of RIA school wing of Reliance Education Network, Nirajan sir, similarly Rohit sir, ECA coordinator Sridhar sir, administrator Hem sir, I think chief accountant is here, Lalita ma'am. All the invited dignitaries, senior faculties, all the staffs, volunteers present here, CR, technical team, administrative staffs, Creative Club President, ex-students, journalist, photographer, existing students, and ladies and gentlemen. Very warm good afternoon to all. It's a moment of great privilege and honor for me to extend a heartily welcome to you all today at this auspicious occasion of farewell program 2081 on behalf of Reliance College. Research 2020. Mark A. Smiley is Professor of Education at the University of Illinois, Chicago. Repeatedly emphasizes the importance that the student place on caring to their engagement and learning. Students say that when they do not feel cared for, they do not invest much time and energy in school or college. We care you because experiences of caring help develop a number of positive psychological states. This is very important for you guys present here. Try to listen carefully. This is the very important research. These states also include feelings of psychological safety, hope, persistence, and belongings. Whether you feel positive or negative, we do not stop caring you guys because research indicates that caring leads to social, emotional development and pro-social behaviors such as cooperation, communications, empathy, and responsibilities. These in turn enable academic engagement, learning, and performances. Students also benefits from the social and academic supports that come from caring. Indeed, academic challenges without sufficient caring and support from teachers and management could lead the students lower performance. That's why we Reliance care for you in the various aspects, and the result is here in front of you. As we know, Reliance Education Network has its 5 major aspects of academic goal, which our ECA coordinator or MC has already mentioned here. Academic excellence first. Second one, ECA and CCA. Third one is Reliance culture. Fourth one is research and publication. And fifth one is ICT and soft skills. It has been witnessed, this institution has given you the best academics, provided you with the necessary tools to improve your skills and elevated ethics and values of life through above 5 dimensions. Also, we have different clubs for leadership development of the students, like Rotaract Club of Reliance, a Students Quality Circle, that is called SQC, and Creative Club. My dear outgoing students, the time has come to bid you all farewell with a heavy heart from these esteemed institutions which protected you, cared for you, supported you, and guided you all these years. I am sure we all have mixed feelings on these days, which is blend of joy and sadness. On one hand, you feel enthusiastic as you will be stepping into a completely new different world where you will find a relatively more challenging. Hope you will use your life skills efficiently and efficacy on stepping into a new competitive world which is full of opportunities. Now you are the intellectual potential and you are capable of achieving your life ambitions by exercising willpower and efforts. While on the other hand, you will feel sad as you have to depart from your college and classmates. But don't worry, we have here MBS programs for those who have graduated with BBS degree and equivalent. We have added this year new programs, BBA, BCA, and BSc CSIT under RJU, which is another milestone for Reliance International College. Well, in this wonderful day, we are here to celebrate your achievement. We will cater you some entertaining songs and dances. Along with that, we will look into the past to cherish our memory to make this evening unforgettable. Let us make this day and evening great. I believe this moment, along with you here at the Hyatt Regency Hall, will remain deep down in our heart, a memory forever, a memory to cherish forever. I would also like to give a sincere thanks to all the faculties, admin staffs, coordinators, SSRO, volunteers, participants, MC team, and team leaders who have participated in different activities. My special thanks goes to Farewell Management Committee, Dance Management Committee, Song Management Subcommittees, Volunteers Management Subcommittee, Correspondence Subcommittee, Technical Subcommittee, Students Counseling Subcommittee, under Rotaract Club of Reliance College, Reliance Creative Club, and Students Quality Clubs. All credits goes to these all clubs who have successfully conducted these farewell programs, and all the supporting hands who have made you guys to stand on this wonderful stage. Last but not the least, I would like to thank you all for your respect and support that you gave us. Once again, I extend my sincere gratitude and warm welcome to all you in the grand farewell ceremony of the Reliance College 2081. I wish you a dream I wish your dream come true. May God shower His blessing on you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for your time and patience. Thank you very much.